Today, we're going to go through the assembly and installation steps of the Rhino-Rack crossbars and legs. Our first step is to remove the ditch moulds. This step varies on different vehicles, so make sure you follow the instructions relevant to your model. Once the ditch mould is removed, we need to copy our drilling measurements across from our instructions. We're about to begin drilling, so it's important to use appropriate PPE. The first hole we drill is a 3mm pilot hole, followed up by an 11mm bit. It's really important to make sure the hole is perfectly centred in the ditch mould. Time to screw in the fixed point adapters, then reinstall the ditch moulds. Now it's time to assemble the base kit and the leg. So we just need to stack up these components. I like to just line it up over the stud here. Now it's time to finish installing the VGS strip. Now it's time to flip the crossbar over and cut our measuring strips to size. Now it's time to throw in the rest of the measuring strip. We'll just trim the end off here. Now it's time to throw the end caps in. Repeat the process on both sides, and then the crossbar is ready to go onto the car. Now we're just going to measure up to make sure that the crossbar is even on both sides. Throw the bolts in, and that's going to secure our legs and our crossbar to our base kit. That's all done. Now it's really important we go through and do all 4 bolts, and then once everything's assembled, we need to go back over everything and double check that everything's on nice and tight. Then our final step is to throw these locking leg covers on.